How to make your first million only with 100 euros start capital. It may be like, oh, almost impossible, because of your mindset, because maybe you're stuck at the level of you are always believing you cannot make more than this because your start capital is so small. What if I told you could really do that in the next 6 months if you're really putting the energy I'll be talking to you guys in this video? This is the exact step I'll do if I have to start making 1 million francs CFA right now, buying things, selling things with only 100 euro start capital. The first thing I'll do is to first of all educate myself. We have 100 euros. We cannot take the risk of losing money because of lack of information. So what we need to do is to educate ourselves. Let us find a program, find someone, find a coach inside of the 100 euros which can teach us for maybe even if it is 50 euros you can be spending just to learn, and that information you will have will, obviously it is reducing your capital, but that information will give you extended possibilities to be able to overcome so much, to be able to overcome errors, to be able to avoid one random scammer which will scam the whole of the money from you.